Are you planning to move here in South? These are the township developments you should consider. Number 1, Nuvali Estates. Nuvali is the country's first and largest eco-city development built on the principle of sustainable design. Nuvali is a 2,400 hectares mixed-use development that straddles the city of Calamba, Cabuyao, and Santa Rosa, Laguna. And since this is a township development, no, ito naman yung mga residential project na matatagpuan nyo sa Nuvali Estates. So, meron tayo diyang Rio Monte, Soliento, Elaro, Santiera, Abrillo, and Montecito. So, yun yung mga ALP projects na matatagpuan mo sa loob ng Nuvali Estates. So, take note guys, ALP projects pa lang yan. So, marami pang development na nakapaloob dyan sa Nuvali Estates na pwede natin talakayin sa next video. Well, that's all guys, and alam ko na medyo bitin itong ating content no about dito, pero I'd like to share it with you.